is where we left off before, here at our base station in Yankeetown, off the Withlacoochee River. But we're adding one extra passenger on this trip, and that would be the son of the captain. Yeah, flew down special from the wilds of upstate Pennsylvania for this.
Let's do a selfie.
A selfie? Oh, all right, right in the middle of this. We're doing, hey, watch it, I'm rolling video here. I heard the word down there. You can't say that.
Not talking politics yet, so
no,
it can't be that bad.
Yeah. All right, so we're heading out. We have lots of new maps. We have our expert fisherman here. This guy should be good. All right, here's our new secret weapon for this trip. It looks innocent enough, looks like a pastry box, but it's called chum. Open it up. It looks like the frozen version. Well, the most polite thing we could think of was a cow flop. But clearly this is the offal left over from some slaughterhouse or something. And you dangle this over the side of the boat. Well, it's frozen, so we're gonna cut it up. Oh, this is good. Cuts easily. You're gonna have a fun time sanitizing your hand from all those offal particles. And this time we're going super high tech. We've got all kinds of electronics. I mean, we all have cell phones, but we brought the iPad with the special, can't really see it in the light here, but we brought it with the all the super mapping technology. We'll be able to see all underwater structure and stuff.
That's right.
We're just going high tech.
Find the fish.
Well, actually, it'll help us not locate the fish, as the case may be. All right, we've anchored out here near Redneck Beach, and we got the first chum block going in the potato sack. Lower it away.
Saw it in half.
Tying the thing up.
So just tie it off there, and that's as far as it needs to hang.
Ooh, I see an oily slick appearing around it already.
Uncle Chris, the redfish are biting today.
Oh yeah,
he's enormous.
See the dot on his tail?
All of 3.5 inches.
Yeah, that's a $1,000 fine. You better deep six him quick.
See you later.
Okay, we put him back like we're supposed to. All right, the chum bag is really doing its thing right now. It's unfroze, and there's little bits of stuff flowing downstream. You can probably see it. This will get the big ones to the boat here. And back to Redfish Island here. Of course, probably got a real name, but we don't know what it is, but it sure is pretty here.
I can improve a lot on.
All right, the northern guy is the northern guy. Oh, are you giving up on that spot?
Nothing yet. No bites.
Well, nothing's changed. Tide is rapidly rising here. This was dry ground 2 minutes ago. It's coming in. There it goes. Showing, ooh, nice dispersal. All right, we've had our first cast net success here. Big old mullet. Hey there, buddy. They are good when they're smoked. And they fillet nicely too. But you gotta catch them with a cast net because they don't eat bait, they eat algae. Yeah, this isn't exactly the Bay of Fundy, but you can see the tide coming in. Right down here. See it flowing in? Pretty soon this whole island will be underwater. Yep. Well, the mullet fishermen are successful here. Look at that guy.
Yeah, there's a pool of hundreds of them.
Oh, well, this could turn into a bucket full of stuff here. Well, I walked away for about a minute, and there was a 3-in-1 cast. Now we got a serious bucket load of fish here. And I just got a bite. My cork went down. This is getting interesting. Not mullet, because they don't eat shrimp. That wasn't too bad. A little bit of a spread there. Let's see what we get here. Nothing. All right. All right, we're trolling out to the trout stake, but we've got ourselves a fish. Let me get back with him with the net. Yep.
Trolling like a Spanish Mackerel, but not in the river.
Kind of rolling.
It's shiny, whatever it is.
That's a fish.
That's a nice, looks like a mackerel. Hey, there we go.
Fish on. Fish
Yeah.
on.
Mackerel.
Hey, it's a gill hook. You got to throw them back.
Got another one.
Oh, I'm tied up in someone's
Oh,
line.
that's my line. Whoa.
Whoa.
Wow.
That's a beauty.
Well, we'll start the lines out. Don't start the motor until we get the lines squared away. Wow, that's a biggie. Woo! This trolling seems to be working out. We're not getting a fish every 2 minutes or anything, but every 15 minutes now we've gotten a fish. Look at that guy. Whoa. Wow. Yeah.
That's why you need steel leader.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
It'll saw your thing right in half. Well, you're 2 for 2. We're at the trout steak, and we're catching. This is the second one in a row for John. It's a trout.
Still a little small.
A little undersized, but still
Pretty fish.
a caught fish. Back he goes.
Net.
Fred's got something on.
Oh, he's a baby, isn't it?
Well, he's bigger.
Bring him in.
He's in.
You might want to put the net on here.
Nice.
Now, that's not a keeper, I don't think.
Yeah, let's just a hair out. I got your bowl. Show us. Well, he's close.
Bring him over here to the
You have to measure him up.
In and out. You've heard the word. If you touch them, they die.
13. He goes back.
Yeah, the captain's rod is bending. I see a shadow under there.
Might be a keeper.
It's close. It's a trout. Oh, we got off. Gotta bleep you.
He was almost a
And you're fishing with a lure. We're fishing with big gulps here.
gulp bait.
Yeah.
Put it up.
Put him on.
Captain Son's got another one. Whoa, that's a nice, decent size one.
Come on. No,
It's broken.
13. 13 inches. Got to be 15, right?
not to handle him. Just dip
There he goes. Goodbye. Well, we're catching. So we decided to move because, you know, we just get impatient fishing wherever we are, but the wind's variability is just astonishing. It has gone to an almost absolute dead calm. We're out in the ocean, more or less. We're tucked sort of near land, but it is flat and featureless out here. And we were seeing whitecaps 90 minutes ago. Here we go. Yeah.
Might be a keeper. What do you think?
Let's put him on there.
14. Criminy sakes. Well, 14 and a quarter.
Yeah.
Goes back.
Well, at least they're getting bigger. There's a catfish. He's making little croaky noises. Well, no sooner did I turn this thing on than and Fred here pulls in a undersized trout, but that's all right. Better than I've been doing. As we head back in here, we are all trolling. Well, at least most of us are trolling. I am trolling. Captain's trolling. Son of the captain's trolling. And we got 2 big keepers Spanish mackerel out of that on the leg out here, so we're gonna do it heading back in. Well, as we head back in here, we got some spooky conditions here. The ocean surface has gone absolute dead calm, and there's a little bit of humidity and fogginess at the horizon here, so you can't tell what's up from down, except where I'm sitting. So, pretty good day. We kind of cleaned up in the fishing category. Let's take a look.
That's the baby mackerel.
Here's the mama mackerel. There you go.
Impressive, huh?
That's a 22-incher.
22-incher and probably an 18-incher.
The 22-incher would be several meals for several adults.
Smoked mackerel.
And there's a mullet.
You don't want to keep the perch
Mullet,
alive?
they got we caught.
Oh, it's a live perch.
Yep. Yeah, a couple of perch. Those are going to be bait for some other enterprise. excellent showing. So that's it from Fishing Central. We leave you with fish for a change.